Oh, good morning, everybody. It's Friday morning, early Friday morning. I got Big Rudy up here. We're heading out to go see if we catch a few fish. And the game plan is to pick the Bay Flat Senior up and bring her in for her $1,000 check or service. Now, I don't know all you guys out there know what this is. It's got to be a weather station or something. I just don't know where to find that on the website. I mean, it's probably giving you the wind, the tide, the whole ball of wax. But if anybody knows where I can find that on the website, I'd like to know. We're going to put the camera down and hook it up. Big Rudy got the first one of the day, folks. Whoop, a little bitty one, but that's all right. Number 2 for Big Rudy, folks. Might be a, whoa. I'm not going to say it. Count this one until Rudy gets it in the boat. What we got, Root? Keeper? Oh, close. Folks, we got about a 20-25 mile an hour wind at our back. And if you can see, the boat is parallel to the waves and also parallel to the wind. And the way we're doing, and we're moving about 1.5 miles per hour. And the way we're doing it is we got 2 anchors out. One up front, one in the back. And you adjust the 2 anchors to get whatever angle you want. And you can see we're almost parallel to the water and almost parallel to the wind, which helps us cast and everything. The anchors actually, those 2 anchors that keeps it square. The angle and also slows it down. Without that, we'd be doing 2 miles an hour with this wind. You can see it looks like it's ripples here, but you turn around and you can see it gets a little bit more bumpy. But that's how we do right now we're just drifting through this bay. Big Rudy caught 2. I'm still on 0, but we're gonna get them. Just gotta be patient. Whoop, 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 Big Rudy. Woo, whoa, that's what you're looking for, bro. That ain't no little one, woo. Alright, folks, you see that foam? That tide's going to change. That's what I think it is. That foam's just foaming up here. Hopefully we can catch a falling tide and catch a few. Like clockwork, there's Big Rudy. Right there, Bubba, right there.
I could see him swimming out there.
Boom, there he is. All right, folks, we got a little action here. There he is. Make the box. There you go. Rudy knows how to do it, folks. Rudy gets it done.
It's like cookie cutters, man. Don't make a box.
Mr. Rudy with another one, folks.